Hi guys, let's see how to protect a column or a range in Google Sheet. So let's say this is a column you want to protect so that not anyone can change this, okay? Or only few people can change this. So how to protect this, how to lock this? For this, what you have to do, you have to just first of all select that column, or you can select a particular range also, whatever you wish. In my case, I am trying to just protect this particular column. So I have selected this, select it, click on data, and then click on protect sheets and ranges. Click on it. Now here you can see this range is already selected because I have clicked here after selecting this. You can enter a name or description. Now click on set permissions. Now to quickly do this, you can just click on only you so that only you can edit it and no one else with which you have shared it. Otherwise, what you can do, you can selectively uncheck these options so that only you can edit this. Okay. If you want to choose a specific person, just select it by this. In this, I have shared this sheet with only 2 persons. There may be multiple persons. So once you are sure, click on done and the changes will be saved. Now what happens that if another person logs in and try to edit this message will be displayed. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video.